Shuley Concrete was founded by Dominic Shuley Sr. in 1972. Dominic Sr. knew that customer satisfaction was the key to a thriving business. He taught his sons, Tony and Dominic Jr., that there is simply no substitute for superior quality work. Shuley Concrete handles all your residential concrete needs, including driveways, sidewalks, patios, retaining walls and French drains, inside and out. We do traditional concrete or exposed, and add an appealing finishing design. We also service commercial jobs such as parking lots, curbs, sidewalks and many other unique requests. Shuley Concrete has an excellent reputation in the Pittsburgh, Allegheny County, Beaver County and Washington County areas. If you're looking to hire a concrete contractor to put in a new driveway, sidewalk, patio, retaining wall or French drain, we'd like you to consider us. We have posted many photos of our previous jobs on this site, so that you can contact us with confidence. Call us today for a free estimate. Pressing concrete over and over again will make it more solid and it will reduce air bubbles in it. Using rollers will make it more flat and it will level the walkway. After that, our worker level the walkway with hand leveler. After that, we rough the walkway for friction. Slippage can be reduced due to this step. Then paint it for finished look. Build, renovate or repair. As a do-it-yourselfer, there is always something to do. It doesn't matter whether you own a house, an apartment or a garden. Because even in rented apartments, minor renovation work such as painting the walls or door frames is always necessary. In addition, new floors need to be laid, lamps fitted, and one or the other room embellished with pictures and wallpaper. But even when it comes to repairs and, for example, the refrigerator door fails, the dryer spins or the washing machine leaks, initiative is required. Luckily, there are plenty of instructions on DIYBOOK that help to get exactly such problems under control. Of course, we have documented everything neatly in pictures and writing. It's even easier with our video instructions. The most important steps and movements are explained here in a matter of minutes. Autoclaved aerated concrete blocks by Whitong make building quick and easy. They are not only lightweight at 6.5 kilograms, but the dimensions are 440 to 100 to 215 millimeters. We think Whitong's mortise and tenon style joints are also a huge benefit when constructing. The family-owned company Lux Elements specializes in the production of polystyrene hard foam and its processing into secure substrates for bathrooms and spa areas. Established in 1945, we have constantly developed as a company and continuously expanded our product range. Lovato Float is a tile wash basin top available in 4 variants with invisible wall suspensions for suspended design. 3 models have an integrated basin: oval, rectangular, or cylindrical. The 4th model is flat, without a basin. It is suitable for the usual built-in and freestanding basin variants. It features a stable suspension with 2 stainless steel brackets. It is a design friendly for people with reduced mobility as the wash basin is easily accessible with a wheelchair. All pieces can be cut to adjust perfectly to the basin structure. Tiles are non-porous materials that are easy to keep clean, that's why they are used in bathrooms and kitchen. Here, we will take a look at why this highly skilled builder is so popular online. It's common for people to use their own preference of hand tools to work with. Carve the details of your design section by section. A 2x4 and a precise masonry trowel are all he needs to carve uniformed lines. Cement carving is a highly regarded skilled profession and looks incredible.